So I've got my new MacBook M5 MacBook Pro M5 14-inch, and so we are going to unbox it today, and I'll show you what is there inside this box. This is the box which I received from the courier. The packing is good, and let's see what is there inside the box. There is my bill from the Apple company. I purchased it directly from the Apple company. So here's my bill. I'll keep this safe. And now there's another box inside. So let's open it and see what is there. What is the option to open it? Okay. So you need to peel this up. Okay. Done. Now open the box and ta-da! This is the MacBook Pro. Okay, here it is again, the branding everywhere. Here's the logo, and let's keep this aside. Okay, so if you see at the bottom, it's sealed properly, and there's this green arrow. You need to peel this off to open it. So let's start from this. Okay, and now the second one. Okay, let's move it to the other side, and here it is, properly wrapped. And so you need to pull this string up, and wow. So let's keep this side and see what is there inside the box. The first thing which we can see is the charging cable. It's type C, and of course the MagSafe charger, which reintroduced by Apple again because there were so many issues with the type C to type C port. So here it is. Let's open it. This is the charger cable. It's longer enough, I think 1.5 meter in the length. And then here is the booklet with MacBook Pro branding inside. And then let's see what is there inside it. Let's check it later. It's not that much important. And here is the charger. This is a 70-watt charger, and if you need a 100-watt charger, you need to order that separately. Otherwise you get this 70-watt charger with your MacBook. And this is for the Indian style port because we are in India. So the charger, the charging cable, let's keep them side again, and the booklet and the box. There's nothing else inside the box. It's a hard box, hard case. Better to avoid any damages during the travel. So let's keep this side again. Now here is the MacBook Pro. Let's open it. Remove the outer cable cover, and here it is, the MacBook Pro 14-inch, and it's very nicely designed, hard spice gray color, which I loved always, not the silver. I'm not a fan of silver color. And here you see they have reintroduced this memory card slot, one type C cable here, and then a HDMI port. And on the other side there's a MagSafe charger, then two Thunderbolt 4 ports, and one port for the headphone or mic. It's a combined port. So this is MacBook Pro 14-inch M5 chip, latest model released in 2025. Thank you for being a part of our unboxing MacBook Pro 14-inch M5.